students from Universidad de Nariño and Universidad de Córdoba.
It is a pleasure to share with you our final stage of our collaborative project learning with nature and community.
So, in this presentation we will show how the eucalyptus tree inspired us to connect education. Nature and culture relationships can transform education and promote sustainability in our communities, and to discover new ways to learn from our environment.
From Universidad de Nariño, we created a multimodal story about the eucalyptus tree. It tells how this tree became part of the identity and daily life of the local people in Nariño.
The eucalyptus came from Australia, but it adapted to the mountains of Nariño, where families planted it for many years ago to protect the soil from erosion and to use its wood and shade.
Culturally, people use its leaves to prepare home remedies for colds and to purify spaces. So, environmentally, it helps to prevent the erosion and to improve air quality, but it also consumes a lot of water. That's why it reminds us of the importance of balance, we could say. So, our story shows that the eucalyptus represents harmony between humans and culture and nature, we could say that, teaching us to care for the earth responsibility.
Based on the story from Universidad de Nariño, we designed an educational plan called Discovering the Power of Eucalyptus. It is for 8th grader EFL students and lasts 2 hours.
Now, the educational proposal. The main goal here is for students to understand the environmental, the cultural, and the historical importance of the eucalyptus, while they improving their English skills at the same time.
The lesson that we create includes 4 stages. First, a work-up with pictures of the eucalyptus tree to brainstorming ideas. Second, reading or listening to the story created by Uninariño students. And third, group work where the students discuss how eucalyptus is used in their communities and create a multimodal product such as a poster, audio or short video, and finally a reflection where they write 1 sentence about what they learned. And this activity helps the students connect language learning with environmental care and sustainable thinking.
This project helped us see that nature can be a teacher. When we learn from nature, we also learn values such as respect, empathy, and community.
Working together through this WhatsApp-based collaboration taught us that teamwork and creativity can connect people from different regions and ideas.
In that order, we realized that the education can inspire transformation when it includes stories, culture, and the environment, of course.
On the other hand, our recommendation for future projects is to keep combining art, storytelling, and ecological reflections. We also suggest involving more community voices in children, elders, and families. So, learning becomes in a collective process.
And even most important, we learned that caring for nature means caring for life, identity, and the future of the education.
The eucalyptus taught us that every tree, every story, and every student can make a difference.
We are thankful for this opportunity to learn with nature and community.